Welcome back to the channel Autoland. Today we're diving into one of the most breathtaking electric hypercars ever built, the Pininfarina Battista 2025. This masterpiece is not just a car, it's a statement of pure power, innovation, and Italian design excellence. The Battista 2025 represents the future of electric performance, combining cutting-edge technology with timeless beauty. Built by Automobili Pininfarina, this hypercar redefines what electric vehicles are capable of, delivering speed, precision, and emotion like never before. Under the sleek carbon fiber body lies a beastly all-electric powertrain that produces around 1,900 horsepower and 2,340 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful road-legal cars ever created. It can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in less than 2 seconds, faster than a Formula 1 car. The Battista's top speed crosses 350 km/h, but what's even more impressive is its 500 km range on a single charge, showing that performance and sustainability can truly go hand in hand. Every curve of the Battista is sculpted for aerodynamics and beauty. The design reflects the passion and craftsmanship that Pininfarina is known for. From the flowing lines to the active rear wing and futuristic lighting setup, this car looks like it's moving even when it's standing still. Inside, the cabin offers a driver-focused layout with luxury materials, digital displays, and bespoke customization options that give each owner a unique masterpiece. But what really sets the Battista 2025 apart is its emotional connection with the driver. Despite being fully electric, it delivers an unforgettable experience through precision handling, instant torque, and an incredible level of control. It's not just about numbers or acceleration, it's about feeling the artistry and innovation that make this hypercar truly special. The Pininfarina Battista 2025 is a vision of what the future of automotive engineering looks like: silent yet powerful, sustainable yet emotional, and elegant yet fierce. It's more than a car, it's a glimpse into tomorrow's world of electric excellence. So if you love hypercars, electric innovation, and Italian design perfection, make sure to watch till the end and feel the power of the Battista in action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more amazing reviews, automotive insights, and exclusive car content from around the world. Thanks for watching Autoland 2025, and I'll see you in the next video.